Hi everyone, so I'll be getting a few things done on my Nissan GTR. So I'll be getting the Thunderbolt 2017 Thunderbolt headlights fitted by Night Racer, and also I'll be getting the Flame kit fitted as well. So take a couple of days. So let's go ahead and see what the car looks like with the standard headlights. And okay, so now let's look at how much flame I can produce on here. So this is before the flame kit being put on, and then I'll do a video after the flame kit get installed. So let's see how much fire it can create at the moment. Flames. Hey guys, so now I'm off to Milton Keynes to Night Racer. I'm gonna go meet Albert, drop off my car because I'm gonna get the what I'm gonna get. Fuck. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do.
My name is Jeff.
Hi everyone, so now I'm getting ready to go to Milton Keynes to drop off my car at Night Racer. So I'll be meeting Albert, and today is going to be a long journey up there. The weather's not so good, it is raining. I'm off to drop off my car to get an MOT done, get the Thunderbolt light fitted onto my car, and also the flamethrower. That's right, so I'm gonna light up UK. Well, not quite, but there's gonna be fire, mad fire after this modification onto my car, so off we go. Those of you who haven't been to the garage, so this is the route. So it's about 30 miles per hour, and you'll see that big yellow box, and there it is on your left. And then Night Racer will be on your right. This one here on the right. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go See some GTRs there. Right. Not sure where he wants me to park. Right, might as well take it down. Back there? Cool. Right. Alright.
How you doing, alright?
Yeah, how you doing, Rob?
Yeah.
Where's Albert gone? Dropped off my car and I'm here with Rob.
Right.
So Albert's lending me his car, so it is a beast. It is much more powerful than my car, ain't that right?
Double, it's got to be double.
Yeah, so let me just show you what he's lending me. There it is, this beast. Oh, you can hear it. The beast I'll be travelling in back home. Oh yeah. Right, I'm off, man. Alright, see ya, Rob.
Take it easy.
Yeah, see you soon, yeah? See ya. Right, how do you work this? Okay. Right. Okay, in the smart car. Now where do you stick it? Ah, it's in the middle. Right, okay. Right, so let's set off my TomTom and then get ready to go back home. Okay guys, so I am going back home in Albert's smart car, which is kindly lended me. Obviously from last time I managed to crash my scooter, so So it's nice of him to lend me his smart car. So it's going to be an hour and 18 minutes journey back home. Hey everyone, welcome back to my can't hear with these bloody masks. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go and pick up my GTR. So Albert's got it all done, the flame kit's been fitted and the thunderbolt headlight's been fitted as well, and it's passed the MOT, which is fantastic. So I'm off to Milton Keynes, so it's going to be a long drive there again. So follow me in my journey.
Engine start.
Okay guys, so I picked up my car from Albert in Night Racer, and the car looks amazing. I mean, the lights, the thunderbolt lights look so amazing. Right, I'm literally on no range at all at the moment. So I've literally driven from Milton Keynes all the way down here, coming up to Longcross, Chobham. I've got about 15 minutes till I get home, so I've literally been driving on the red all this time, and I've got no range now. Okay guys, I've literally travelled 60 miles from Milton Keynes, from Albert's Night Racer garage, all the way home, and I managed to make it here in the Shell garage at my house, near my house. So I've managed to arrive here without the car stopping, and I did it all in the red. So this is remarkable that the car can travel. As long as you're driving slow, it's let me travel 60 miles.
Five minutes later.
So guys, this is my old headlights. It's pretty much standard, 2 bulbs, indicator light there, and my new one. Look at that, it's got 3 bulbs, and then you got another one down here, and then of course the great thunderbolt, and then you've got another light there. So as you can see, what a fine piece of headlight. There we go. So let's put it side by side. So the old one out with the old, and in with the new one. And this is what it looks like. It is a beauty. go.